Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1975 Toyota Land Cruiser. Now people, I want you to really think, you really have to ask yourself, before I spend a lot of money, let's see, do I want to buy an electric piece of junk that breaks down within the first mile? Do I want to buy an overly expensive Ford Bronco that will sit in my garage? Or do I want to buy myself a fine 75 Toyota Land Cruiser that I can not only drive up and down my community, but off-road into the Mayaca State Forest? Go to the one though we have here featuring that beautiful green exterior, but even so, looking at it in the sunlight, you will see it has a little bit of an aquamarine to it. Even so, with its black wall wheels and black wall tires, it is surely the perfect kind of vehicle that you want to roll around up and down the streets. Yet again, for a soft top and yes, even an open top vehicle, you can see you can put your hands out, you got your safety doors there, and you don't have to worry about any of that at all. But as we look on the inside, you will see we have a 4-speed manual with the 4x4 option control on the lower right side of the shifter. Even so, for those who do not know how to drive manual, shame on you. We have our shifter diagram right there above the glove box. As for our instrument cluster, you will see we have perfectly working needle gauges up to a big, fine 3-spoke steering wheel, which I wish that would have worked, but yet again, it still works anyway. As you will see, it also offers a lot of room for your driver and your passenger. As for the back there, you don't want to hear the annoyance of passengers in the back. You got the side seats. Even so, for emergency times when you break down, you have a spare tire. It is the perfect kind of off-road vehicle and driver vehicle that you are looking for. Even so, right now, going through the gears, she is handling pretty good and sounding pretty good, which does take us on to the engine bay featuring that inline-six. Basic style motor, but yet again, a lot of times you could even put a V8 if you want to. But even so, before we end our video, we will give you a little bit of a brake test, let you get the fine feel of the safety of the vehicle. And even when downshifting, she is perfect